Hey everybody, welcome to 54 Nights RV. We're doing a quick walkthrough of the 2018 Keystone Montana 3931. It's 40 foot and 5 inches long with the, it doesn't show the gross weight on there. There's the kid's bedroom right there. Don't have any stairs going to it.
Or a place for the husband.
No. 72,000. That's what they're asking for it at the Dallas RV show. Or were. It's not going on anymore, but you know. It says it's a 4-season camper, which it doesn't matter to us. They're all 4-season campers for us.
Kind of your basic old floor plan. The new floor plan seems to be on the fifth wheels to have the living room up.
Yeah.
Elevated from the kitchen. This is just kind of the old, very comfortable.
Yeah. No, and I like the windows all around there at the tail end of the trailer. You got the theater seating there, and
these windows are lower. I like that.
Yeah, down to the arm of the couch. You got an island kitchen there that's got a couple of outlets there on the back side of the island. Plug your appliances in or whatever you need to do. Stainless steel sink with a big old faucet. This one had a convection microwave and an oven. And you can actually reach the cabinets up there. Can't see in them, but you can reach them. Nice little pantry right there. And she's pushing buttons on the fireplace.
Hey, if there's buttons, I'm gonna push them up. Was that one of the little narrow fireplaces?
Yeah, it was one of the shorter ones.
I guess it's kind of a space saver, and you still have the ambiance of a fireplace.
Yeah, just a short fireplace. Mm-hmm. Like I said, it's got the convection and the normal oven. Good size residential refrigerator. There's washer dryer hookups in these cabinets here. Terry didn't much care for the location of that washer dryer, but there is a little place there where you could fold clothes, I suppose, right next to it.
I think this had a window as you're walking up the stairs on the right. I can't remember. It'll show in a minute, but maybe it won't, or maybe it didn't. I like the windows on the stairs. Just makes it feel not so narrow. Yeah, it did. Or is it the door? Never mind.
She's so confusing.
I'm so confused.
A little half bath there with a little bit of storage there to your right. There's also good sized storage in that short little hallway. There is a window at the top of the steps.
Oh, okay, maybe it's something.
Got some more storage right there by the bed. That bed is on a slide. And then fifth wheels always have plenty of storage. That's one thing I like about fifth wheels. Little wardrobe. She's pointing out that the the rods in that closet are
they go a different way.
Go a different direction. Whatever direction that
they
was.
Go from the front. They go deep instead of across.
Yeah. Good size wardrobe back there. A little seating spot there in that full bath.
That's if your husband's in timeout. He can go over there.
2 sinks. Why? I mean, people love these double sinks, and I don't understand it because I don't want to be shaving next to her because she makes a big mess.
I don't shave my face.
Have you ever thought about it?
Oh. Did you see that timeout chair?
And then the people come in and Miss Teresa starts to get a little claustrophobic and wants to run for the hills.
That's where the window in the hall would have been nice.
But it's a beast. 40-foot long fifth wheel. You're not going to be squeezing those into too many national parks. I like the layout. I mean, the half bath, you know, honestly, I'd probably look into turning that into one big old walk-in closet if we bought it.
You know, there's a type of camper though, like go to races all the time. I mean, we're national parks, we're state parks, but you know, if you like to go to car races or you like to, you know, basically parking lot type of campgrounds or, you know, camp spots, then you don't really need the, you know, where's I going with this?
I don't know where you were going with it, but it sounded pretty interesting. Please continue.
I just totally went blank.
That is what happens to old people.
That is what happens to old people. It's true. Oh my goodness.
No, if you've got company, I suppose that half bath is.
The length. That's what it was. So the length of, you know, the big bathroom and the length of it is fine if you don't have to try to get it in, you know, a lot of national parks and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
That's where I was going.
No,
Okay,
and actually this one looks like it's a good full timer fifth wheel. Like I said, it's 4-season, and it's big, roomy, a lot of storage. I think it would make good for a full timer, but you know, the half bath thing, not something. I don't think we would. It's not something we would turn down, but it's not something we'd be looking for. But like I said, I'd probably turn that into a closet. But anyhow, we could keep on rambling on and going to destinations unknown in our mind, or we can just go ahead and leave now.
because the camper's in the shop, so we'd have to do it in our mind right now.
Let it go, honey. Just
I want my camper.
let it go. Later, guys.
Bye-bye.